Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombiebargainhunter, and today we're going to be looking at the top 20 Beanie Boos that you can find out there in the wild and make you some good money. There's a lot of Beanie Boos that are worth nothing, but these Beanie Boos are worth some good money. So when you go out to yard sales or thrift stores, I want you to be looking for these Beanie Boos and make yourself some good money. I haven't done one of these videos in a while. But I have done Squishmallows and Jelly Cats and a few other videos. I'll link some of those at the end of this video, so you can go back and, well, hopefully you can find some of these guys and make some money. I have some brands ready to go. I'm going to start doing all these brands one at a time, so we can all learn more about the plush and how to make some good money on these plush items. If you have any brands you want me to research, let me know in the comments, and I will put them on my list, and we'll start learning and making more money. Anyways, let's start with number 20. Let's get going. Alright, number 20, if it wants to click. There we go. This is Thai Beanie Boo. Well, they're all going to be Thai Beanie Boos. I don't want to keep saying Thai Beanie Boo. But this is Kara the turtle. She's about 6 to 8 inches. I think she's about 7 inches. Haven't had her in a while. You can see she has the glitter eyes. There's a lot of different eyes on these guys. They have the solid eyes, and then they have like a white around the eye, and then glitter. And of course the glitter is all different colors. So make sure when you're looking at Beanie Boos to make sure and look at the eyes, because they are different. Some Beanie Boos can be super similar. Let's see if there's a different picture. Oh, it's just different butt. But yeah, make sure when you're looking at Beanie Boos, you look at the eyes. Make sure they're not scratched. They can lose some value if they're scratched too. So just watch out. But number 20 is Kara the turtle. She went for $91.95 plus $4 shipping. So say $96. That is number 20 to look for. Number 19, this is Joey the Fox. This is a Claire exclusive. A lot of exclusives on Beanie Boos, so keep your eye out for any exclusive. It might say it on the tag. Let's see if it says it on this tag. Yeah, it says right here. If it wants to go, it says right here, Claire's exclusive. So when you're looking for Beanie Boos, if you find the exclusive where it's Justin's, Barnes & Noble, Claire's, a lot of different ones will spike up the price. I mean, because they're only exclusive to those companies. You see, she does have the nice glitter eyes. I do put, when I'm listing the Beanie Boos, I do put glitter eyes in the title, so people know they're not just the plain eyes. This one went for $98.95. This person has sold 103 of them at this price. So obviously they found out it launched, and they went around to all the Claire's and bought them all up. I've done that in the past, especially when I started. I would go around to all GameStops or all Claire's or all Barnes & Nobles and just buy everything up when I know it's going to be a super exclusive. I do have a bunch of Squishmallows right now. I have about 100 of those that are exclusive Squishmallows. They're like orange. So I've purchased those too. So hopefully they go up in price. But yeah, this one sold for $98.95. Alright, the next one, number 18. This is Thai Beanie Boo. Oh, I said it again. This is Fay the Fox. She is 6 inches, so she's one of the smaller ones. They do have smaller Beanie Boos, and then of course they have larger ones. But this is a 6-inch version, 2020, so it just recently released a couple of years ago. So this one might be easier to find. You see, she has like a unicorn horn. So she's a unicorn fox, gold glitter eyes. Weird, I've never seen this one before. The pictures aren't the greatest, but yeah, you can see how she has like a fuzzy, furry, crazy tail. Looks like it has like glitter on it too. I would put glitter tail in there too. But anyways, this person found 137 of them, so maybe we can find one or two. It sold for $99.90. Number 17. This is Duchess the Chihuahua. There is a bunch of different Duchesses, so make sure you find this one. This is the Justice exclusive. Justice is, I believe, is just completely out of business. So when you find anything Justice exclusive, make sure you look it up, whether it's a Beanie Boo or whether it's a Squishmallow or whether it's just a regular plush. I do have a bunch of Justice plush that I purchased right before they closed. So yeah, I don't believe Justice is making anything anymore. I'm trying to find out where it says Justice exclusive on it. It doesn't. I don't see where it says. Justice usually has like a different symbol on it, but I don't see where it says. But I'll take their word for it. Anyways, 3 sold of this Chihuahua, and it sold for $99.90. Next one. This is Dazzle the Cat. Another Justice exclusive. Like I'm telling you, Barnes & Noble, Justice, Claire. The only thing I don't go after is like Walmart exclusive. Walmart makes too many items, just like Funko Pops and stuff like that. Even when you get like specialty items from Walmart, they still make more than most companies produce at all. So watch out when you do like a Walmart exclusive. This you can see right there, Dazzle the Cat. Don't fall for the the errors and stuff like that. Those are, they're trying to drive the price up, and most of the time it's just like money laundering and stuff like that. So don't fall for the there's an error on the tag. Most normal people don't care, and collectors, there's like special website for collectors. So don't fall for the error thing. This one sold for $99.99, so 10 cents more than the last one. Alright, let's hit the next one. This is Gypsy the Cat. A lot of cat. This is a pink cheetah, another Justice exclusive. She has the pink glitter eyes, and also has these nice pink like glitter ears. Looks like she has like a kiss right here on her forehead, so that's pretty cool too. There it is, Gypsy. Look for Gypsy. This person sold 37 of them, again at $99.90 plus $4.99 shipping. You have to get that $4.99 shipping in there, right? Alright, let's go next. Bubblegum, the lemur. This is a ultra rare UK exclusive. Bunch of UK exclusives will sell for like 70 plus. I think it was like a gopher that I sold for like $80. So make sure if you find any UK exclusives to look them up. This one, you can see it doesn't have the glitter eyes. It has the solid eyes that I was talking about. Some of them do have glitter eyes. Some of them have solid eyes. So that's why when I list, I do put, most of the time if it fits, I do put glitter eyes. And I'll never put solid eyes, but I will put like glitter eyes and glitter ears or glitter tail or whatever. Anyways, this one sold for $109.99. What is next? Beanie Boo Annabelle. This is, well, comes with a tag protector. Yay! But yeah, this one is, looks like another cat. There's a lot of cats. So when you find a cat, make sure you look it up. Again, this one has a glitter eye, and it actually has glitter nose, which is pretty cool. You can see the pink glitter. I don't know how easily you can see that on camera, but it has like a glittery nose on it. And it's pink and white, so make sure, or maybe like a cream. Well, anyways, make sure you look out for her. She sold for $120. What is next? This is a Beanie Boo Prototype. I have not seen these prototypes before. This person has been selling prototypes, so I looked through his website, and he has a bunch of them. I don't know whether he worked for Beanie Boo or whatever, but he sure makes ugly pictures because he puts them on this like green background. Kind of looks like my original pictures that I used to do like 7-8 years ago. Really makes the plush look pretty bad, in my opinion. Sorry, whoever you are. But yeah, it really makes it bad. But anyways, you can see these are, I don't think it has a butt tag, so doesn't look like it has any butt tag at all. Anyways, I just wanted to bring your attention to it because it sold for $115 plus $9.90 shipping. So if you can find them, good luck. Next, this is a gift show exclusive. I see a bunch of these, like the red and blue ones, go for like $75, or a lot of twos going for in the 70s and 80s. So I don't usually like to do lots, but when it comes to this is good knowledge to know. You can see they're just dogs, and they have really nice colors. Anything with these bright colors like that, look them up, no matter what plush it is. You can see they all have gold eyes. So when you're looking for them, I don't know if I can't see what the tags say. I would love to see what the tags say to show you how it is the gift show exclusive. But anyways, I guess they went to some convention or something and they were there. There is a bunch online if you want to keep looking them up. This set sold for $119.75. Henny, this one's funny. This is Henny the chicken. I did have a Henny before, and I didn't sell it for this much. I think I sold it for like $80, but it's been a few years, so maybe she's gone up a lot more in price. You can see there is her tag. July 6th is National Chicken Day. Good to know, Henny. Anyways, this person sold 8 of them, and it sold for $129.90. Alright, what's next? Thai Beanie Boo, Kooky the Koala, one of the 6-inch retired. I've talked about how Australia and New Zealand plush have been selling a lot. They slowed down a little bit after the fires have cooled down finally. Thank God for that, right? But yeah, this is, again, doesn't have the glitter eyes. It has a solid pink eyes, but her hands are pretty cool. They're close together. Looks kind of almost like a heart, and really nice Beanie Boo. This one sold for $131 plus $5 shipping. What is next? Oh, I wanted to show you this. This is a set of monkeys. I've had this one right here, this like reddish one, but I haven't had the whole set. I wanted to point your attention to all these different monkeys because they can sell $50 each individually easily. So yeah, these are really nice monkeys. This person doesn't have any more photos, so make sure when you're listing your plush, make sure to do at least 4 photos. I like to do the head, the body, the back, one with a ruler, and then on the tag. So make sure you do at least 4 or 5 photos on plush. People want to know what they're actually buying, and yeah, they don't want to be purchasing them and then have like a defect on the back or something. Make sure you get the whole full body, and you'll sell more because people are going to be looking at your photos. Anyways, this one sold, or this set sold for $136.95 plus $10.99 shipping, and the person sold 11 of them, so they are very well wanted. Next, we have Annabelle the cat again. I think I have Annabelle. Oh, this is the Barnes & Noble exclusive one. The other one was just a regular Annabelle. This is the Barnes & Noble exclusive one. I don't know if they're the same or not, so I decided to include it. This one has, again, glitter eyes and a glitter nose. I wasn't positive if they were different or not, so it's like, why not include it? Maybe there's a difference. Anyways, this person sold 28 of them at $150. So make sure you look out for Annabelle. It's just a pink cat with a pink nose and a glitter nose. There you go. Alright, we have a few more to go. Henry the bear with the fish. This is a Canada exclusive. You can see it has a little funny fish. This one has the glitter eyes also. But yeah, I've seen Henry around for a while. So he has been wanted for a long time. So maybe this price is even going to be going higher because people do want Henry. He's really cute and he's got a really stupid looking fish. And he sold for $179.99. Alright, this is a lot of 5 different reindeer. I wanted to show you this one because, man, these can sell for at least $50 a piece. They all have different colored like horns. You can see there's just a slightly different, well, horns? Antlers, I should say. Not horns. You can see this one has like white and blue. This one has blue and black. So just a little bit different on them. And they sell for good money. See, there's the tag to look out for. Even without the tags, they do sell for great money. This person sold 27 of these sets for $194.90. Alright, Arsenity the lamb. Arsenity is just a nice woolly Poofy Lamb. Has nice blue glitter eyes. It has a different scarf. There are a lot of lambs without the scarf, so make sure Arsenity has the scarf. So make sure when you're purchasing it, don't go overboard and pay like $10 for one without the scarf. You're getting the wrong one. Look at the tush tag. Make sure it's Arsenity and not just a normal everyday lamb, because a normal everyday lamb can sell for like $20. This one sells for $190 plus $5 shipping. So like I said, make sure you have the scarf and it is Arsenity, not just an ordinary lamb, because there are so many lambs out there. Next, one of the ones that has been rare for a long time is this Frost Arctic Fox, and the next one you'll if you've done Beanie Boos a lot, you'll notice that one too. Frost is one of the most sought after Beanie Boos that are out there. It has the blue glitter nose, it has the blue glitter eyes, and blue glitter ears. You can see Frost. I would put this on a different background because Frost does not stand out well with white. But anyways, there's the tag right there. And it's sold for $295.95. So make sure you're looking out for Frost. It is one of the most wanted Beanie Boos. The next one is the one I thought was going to be the most expensive. This is Kiwi the Frog. I've been looking for this guy for a long time. I have one, but he had a damaged eye. The top of his eye was like cut, so I had it repaired. I did repair it and list it. I don't know if it's sold yet or not. I don't remember, but I don't think so. I think I had it for like $200 just because he was damaged. But yeah, this says Kiwi burp on his tag. Mine didn't have a tag, so I didn't know it was gonna say Kiwi burp on it. But yeah, this is one of the most wanted ties in the history of tie. Basically, I didn't know there was going to be one worth more, but there is. Number one is this one. This is, oh, there it goes. Tie Billionaire Bear. I have not seen this one. I've never heard of this one, but it says there's only 300 made. Well, that's what research is for, right? For us to learn more about Plush. This is this one says it's 50 out of 300, so it looks like he has number 50. Yeah, you can see right here. And there was only 300 made. But look at the fur. It's like shimmery and it's more like sequins. Anyways, the number one sold for $400. So I don't think you're going to be able to find one like that, but good luck. I hope you do, because $400 would be nice. Anyways, please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. And don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. If you have any brands that you want me to do next, let me know. I'll be doing probably one a week. Take care, guys. Bye.